Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch gray aluminum wheels, power heated multi-function mirrors with manual foldaway, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,670 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3377A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.